Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect WooCommerce webhooks to make.com for fulfillment. Detailed guide step by step clearly. To connect WooCommerce webhooks to make.com for fulfillment, start by logging into your WooCommerce account. Navigate to the WooCommerce settings in your WordPress dashboard. Click on the Advanced tab. In the Advanced section, select Webhooks. Next, click the Add Webhook button. In the Webhook settings, provide a name for your webhook. Choose the status as active to ensure it will send data. For the topic, select the event you wish to trigger. This could include order creation, updates, or cancellations. Now, in the delivery URL field, you'll need to input the webhook URL provided by make.com. Log into your make.com account in a separate tab. Once logged in, navigate to the scenario where you want to handle the WooCommerce webhook. Click on that Add button and select the webhook module. Choose the Custom Webhook option. You will now see the unique URL generated by make.com for your webhook. Copy this URL to your clipboard. Go back to the WooCommerce dashboard and paste the URL into the Delivery URL field. Next, set the secret field if you wish to secure your webhook further. Once your settings are complete, click the Save Webhook button. Your WooCommerce webhook is now configured. Next, return to make.com and either run the scenario or set it to active. To test the connection, trigger your selected event in WooCommerce. Go back to make.com to monitor if the webhook successfully received the data. You should see the received data appear in your make.com scenario interface. If everything is working correctly, your WooCommerce webhooks are now successfully connected to make.com for fulfillment. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.